Hello everybody, Porch Light here, and as you can see, this is the first big snow of the year. We got doggy Porch Light under the deck, and we got a lot of snow on deck. More coming down. I tell you. This ain't her first snow, but she kind of confused because I don't think she's ever been in this much snow. Yeah, I wasn't gonna bombard you with a bunch of videos of how to prep and what to buy and all, because I figure anybody watching this channel probably know what to do by now. But needless to say, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you don't have to be out here watching your dog be confused with no socks on. Anywho, stay warm, everybody. Porch Light out.